dome. So it is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by hemispherical dome. Okay, fine. So the base radius of hemisphere, so base radius of hemisphere is one half the height of cylinder. The height of cylinder. Okay. Find total height of the room. So what you are supposed to find? You have to find total height. Total height is equal to how much? Okay. If it contains 1408 by 21 meter cube of air and take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. So now what is given? Base radius of hemisphere. So radius of hemisphere is equal to one half the height of cylinder. What is height of cylinder? H. So radius of hemisphere is equal to half of the cylinder. So this is radius. Radius of hemisphere is equal to, let us say this is height of the cylinder. So what is this? This is also radius. So this is radius of what? Hemisphere, and this is height of cylinder. Is it right? So now height of cylinder will be h, and radius of cylinder, what is radius of cylinder? It will be same as radius of hemisphere, that means h by 2. Okay. So now we have to find total height. So total height is equal to radius of hemisphere plus height of cylinder. So what is radius of cylinder? What we have to find? We have to find total height. We have to find total height. So therefore total height is equal to what? Radius of hemisphere. What is radius of hemisphere? H by 2 plus height of cylinder. Height of cylinder will be h. So if I transpose, it will be h plus 2h by 2, that is equal to 3h by 2. So you have to find, you have to find h. Okay. Now what you are supposed to find? So you have to find the, what is given? Volume of air is given. That means you have to find the volume of the solid figure or the room which is given. What is the volume of room? Volume of room is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. So what is volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube plus what is volume of cylinder? What is pi r square h. Is it right? Now is radius of hemisphere and radius of cylinder same? Yes, radius of hemisphere and radius of cylinder same. So I can take common. So what is common here? Pi r square is common. If I take pi r square common, 2 by 3 into r plus here pi r square, if I take common, it is h. So that is equal to pi times what is r square? What is radius of hemisphere or cylinder? H by 2. H square by 4 times 2 by 3. What is radius? H by 2 plus h. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So that is equal to pi h square by 4 times h by 3 plus h. So that is equal to pi times h square by 4 times what will happen? 3h. H plus 3h is 4h by 3. Okay. Now 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So what is left out? It is pi h cube by 3. Now it is given that it is equal to volume of room is equal to volume of the air containing is equal to how much? 1408 divided by 21. Okay, so that implies pi h cube divided by 3 equals 1408 divided by 21. Now that implies what is pi? 22 by 7 into 3 into h cube is equal to 1408 divided by 21. So 21 and 7 3 is 21 gets cancelled. So h cube is equal to 1408 divided by 22. So how many times? Let us see. For 1408 divided by 22. So let us take 3 digits. So it is 22, 6 are 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13, 132. So it is 132, and what is remainder? 88, and 22 4s are 88. Is it right? So that implies h cube is equal to 1408 divided by 22 is 64. So implies h is equal to cube root of 64. What is cube root of 64? 4. So you got h is equal to 4 meters. So what you are supposed to find? You have to supposed to find total height. So what is total height? Total height we have found here, 3h by 2, right? So it is 3 into h by 2. That is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So total height is equal to 6 meters. The room is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by hemispherical dome. The base radius of hemisphere is 1/2 of height of cylindrical part. Find total height of the room if it contains 1408 divided by 21 meter cube of air. Take pi is equal to 27. So this is the answer. Understood? So this is the first part, and this is how we found out volume of the room, and then in the next one we found out what is the total height. I hope you understood it. Assalamu alaikum.